Sawadee krap, namaste everyone. Okay, in this video we're gonna learn the quick warm up because many people they have the problem whenever they practice yoga. They always get the pain in the wrist, pain in the shoulder, pain in the back or the knee, or any injury can be happen if our body is not warm up. So let's begin the quick warm up technique before we start the yoga practice. Okay, so if you're gonna start with the sitting, you just start with the sitting kadana, the technique number 1. Yeah, just warm up your hip joint. Okay, technique number 2, open the legs as wider as much you can. Inhale, exhale, try to reach, stretch, basic stretch first, just quick stretch, just try your best. Okay, after a few times, technique number 3, we can do another move. So Pankha Sanchalan Asana, just try to reach. If you can reach, it's fine. If cannot, that's no problem. Just try your best. Just few minutes can help you to reduce your extra calories, make your body very burn calories, has many benefits. Okay, next technique. Once we done, stretch, just basic stretch, and then go to the mountain pose. Once you done the mountain, just stretch, basic, very basic. Try to bring your hip down, stretch, interlock your fingers, palm facing up, and stretch maximum. Yeah, just one time. Don't hold the posture, as we are just warming up our body before we start the posture. So behind foot you can point or you can flat as you feel wish comfortable. Stretch. Yeah, then we can do Indian push up. Knee, chest chin down, lean body forward to the up, and then back to the mountain. One more time. So you can do like few times. Stretch, just a warm up technique na. Yeah, just a warm up. So once you done few times, so you can step and come up. Then you can swing to the side and the other side. That will be very helpful to stretch the side body. Okay, once we can stretch the side body, we can feel the muscles and the sen. Yeah, the nerves and the side body stretching. Okay, once we done, okay, then you can move your pelvic few times clockwise and few times anti-clockwise. Okay, then don't forget the shoulders. We are moving the up and down. This is a very quick warm up. Basically I do whenever I practice by myself. Yeah, and once you're ready, okay, now you stretch the fingers, internal and external twisting. Okay, that's very nice. Good. Now the last point is the neck. So look at the right, look at the left. Just don't do very slow and don't do very faster. Just do with basic, just a basic. Yeah, basic movement can help you to warm up the body. Okay, look up and down. The last technique for the spine is hands back on your, and then stretch maximum, and then bend forward. Try to bend forward, try to bend back. So if you cannot bend too deep, don't worry, we don't need to go too deep. We just go as we feel comfortable. So once you done these old techniques, you will feel like you are warm up already, and now you can go to the sun, moon, Bhujanga Namaskar sequence or any asana that you want to do. So that is overall the technique. This old techniques I'm sharing you from my 200-hour online yoga teacher training course. So it's very nice and it's interesting because yoga is for our knowledge. If I have knowledge, I can implement in my life. I can share this technique with my friends, with my family, with my peoples. So everybody can have the health, good health. Health is a real wealth, not to con everyone. Okay, so see you soon in my next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.